Are you tired of using Band-Aids only for their intended purpose? Think outside the box. Today, we're diving into the unique uses for Band-Aids that will make you wonder how you ever lived without them. Sure, they might be great for cuts and scrapes, but this little adhesive strip can do so much more. First off, let's talk about fashion statements. Have you ever found yourself in a wardrobe malfunction? Perhaps a small tear in your favorite shirt or a loose hem? Instead of panicking, just grab a Band-Aid. Not only will it hold things together temporarily, but you can also choose colorful or themed Band-Aids to show off your personality. You'll be turning your minor crises into runway moments. Who knew fashion could be so easy and sticky? Next up, we can't forget about the kitchen. Band-Aids can be your secret weapon against pesky spice labels. If you're prone to spilling salt or always mistaking cayenne for paprika, simply slap a Band-Aid on the jar. You'll have an easy-to-read label that won't wash off like tape. Plus, it'll give your spice rack a quirky, eclectic look. Instant chef cred, right there. Now, let's discuss the ultimate procrastination tool, the temporary bookmark. Are you a fan of reading but can't seem to remember where you left off? Well, look no further. A Band-Aid can easily slide between the pages of your book, marking your place with flair. Not only does it serve the purpose, but it also gives your book a little quirkiness, turning every reading session into a mini adventure. Just make sure you're not using one from your first aid kit. That might be a little too dramatic. And for all the pet owners out there, Band-Aids can help you in a pinch. Have you ever played tug of war with your dog only to find they've accidentally redecorated your favorite shoes? A Band-Aid can help temporarily fix a scraped-up shoe or seal a little tear. It's not a permanent solution, but it definitely prevents you from facing a major shoe crisis while waiting for your next shopping spree. Plus, your pup will never know the difference. In conclusion, Band-Aids are not just for first aid. They are multifunctional marvels that can save the day in the most unexpected ways. So next time you stash away some Band-Aids in your drawer, think beyond the boo-boos and unleash your creativity. Who knew that something so small could have such a big impact? Happy sticking.